Hi there, my name is Yana and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll share with you a fantastic weekend getaway experience I had with my husband in Parrsboro, Nova Scotia. Our journey begins at the Dutchman's cheese farm in Upper Economy, where we stopped on our way to our gorgeous two-night Airbnb stay. First, we headed to a cheese shop to pay the admission fee, purchase tokens for food dispensers, taste and buy delicious cheese, and check out the antiques collection. After that, we went to meet adorable farm animals. I quickly realized my mistake of underestimating this place. It's not a quick stop, but an amazing place where you would want to spend at least 2 to 3 hours, or even more. There are many trails, a lot of cutest animals, and food dispensers to feed them. It was an incredible experience interacting with all these friendly cuties, and I wish we had more time here, but we had to get back on the road. We arrived in Parrsboro and checked in at 8 Island View Cottage when it was already dark. We fell in love with this gorgeous place right away. This cottage is spectacular. It is cozy and beautiful and has everything you could wish for in Airbnb. A full high-end kitchen, a beautiful interior, a deck with a fantastic hot tub, stunning views, you name it. We loved everything about this cottage. It's just gorgeous. Sunrises from the deck and the balcony are absolutely magical. There are stunning views from every window. You can see the water from the front and from the back. We were especially impressed with all the details. It's incredible how much thought was put into every little thing. Every shelf, painting, hot cup coaster, and soap dish supported the beach cottage theme. We spent a lot of time just marveling at all these small, meaningful details. Now let's explore Parrsboro. Our first stop is by the Parrsboro boat launch. There are big chairs and an amazing lighthouse view. This landscape looks completely different during high and low tides, so check the tide schedule and choose when to go. Parrsboro is an awesome town with an amazing tourist vibe and so much to see. One of the must-visit attractions is the Glooskap statue. Glooskap is an important legendary figure of the Mi'kmaq people. I would also recommend just walking through Parrsboro and enjoying the beauty of little details like these cute birdhouses or small lighthouses painted by local artists. To immerse yourself even more in the fantastic vibe of this lovely town, check out Two Islands Brewing. Tyson's Fine Minerals is another excellent place in Parrsboro. There are gorgeous world minerals and jewelry. It's like a fantastic museum where you can purchase everything. And here's a tip for someone on a tight budget like us. Check out the drawers. You can find beautiful minerals there at affordable prices, starting from $3 Canadian. Another must-visit destination is Ottawa House by the Sea Museum. It looks like a great museum, but unfortunately it was closed for the season. But there is also an incredible beach with stunning views. You can see Cape Split from here. What a view! It's cool that we could park right on this beach, especially on a windy day like this one. Age of Sail Museum. This place is an incredible combination of history and nature. This awesome heritage museum is a must-visit for people who would like to learn the history of shipbuilding, lumbering, and the local community. And it's located in such a gorgeous place. It's a hidden gem just a 20-minute drive from Parrsboro. On our way back, we had to check out the waterfalls, even though it was getting late. It was muddy in some places, and there was a section with a steep hill and rope. But it was a relatively easy 6.5 kilometers out and back trail. We were amazed by the bridges. There are a lot of them, which makes this hike so cool and exciting. And the waterfall is fantastic. I wish we had more time to climb that ladder and explore what's out there. We'll have to come back another time to do so. Once again, we had to hike back through the forest in the dark, which reminded us about our Cape Split hike. The next day, we went to explore some gorgeous nature near the cottage. It was tricky getting there, but we had some help from the locals. By the way, we met a lot of awesome kind people in the area, which made our getaway experience in Parrsboro an absolute delight. It's time to say goodbye to Parrsboro, but our adventure doesn't end here. We still have a few stops on our way home. The first one is Five Island Lighthouse Park, a beautiful place with incredible views. Our next stop was just a short drive from here. Five Island Provincial Park. The plan was to hike the incredible Redhead Trail and maybe check out the beach. But the road leading there was closed for the season, so we decided to check out another trail nearby. Then we had a beautiful drive home with a gorgeous sunset and incredible fall colors. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one. It will help me a lot and inspire me to create more content. Thanks for being here. Bye bye.